Hey guys, welcome back to App Mentor. So today guys, we've got something interesting on deck. Inlighte Keyboy, a retro handheld gaming console, claiming to revive a golden age of gaming with 20,000 pre-installed games. But is it worth your time and money? Let's find out. Alright, so in terms of the features and specs, the console features dual joysticks, L and R bumpers, and a 3.5-inch HD display. You can choose between 64 and 128 GB of storage, offering up to 20,000 pre-installed games. It supports games from old-school consoles like NES, PS1 and many more, bringing back all the classics. It also has a 10-hour battery life, which should keep you gaming for quite a while before needing a charge. So in general, how does it handle? Overall, the gameplay is pretty smooth. The users using this did not notice much lag, and the 1.5 GHz quad-core processor keeps things running without major issues. The screen resolution is decent for a device this size, and it's vibrant enough to make the retro games pop. The control feels good, especially for games that require precise movements. The dual joysticks are a nice touch, giving you more control over the mechanics. The sound quality is average, it's not going to blow you away, but it gets the job done. Now let's break down the pros and cons of the Inlighte Keyboy. So the pros are huge game library with up to 20,000 titles, compact and lightweight design, decent battery life at 10+ hours, smooth performance for most games. The cons: the sound quality could be better, some games may feel outdated for modern audiences. The build quality feels a bit cheap for the price. So, is Inlighte Keyboy worth your money? Well, if you're a fan of retro gaming and want a portable way to relive those classics, it's a solid choice. The game library is massive, the controls are decent, and the performance is good for casual gaming sessions. However, at its price point, there are a few drawbacks, mainly in sound quality and build. But for what it offers, I'd say it's a legit buy, especially for those who want a nostalgic trip down memory lane. That's it for today's review, guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash that like button and leave a comment below. Also, have you ever tried this product? What's your favorite retro game? Let me know. And as always, make sure to subscribe for more honest reviews and gaming content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.